Hey everyone, welcome back to Car Vibes, and today we're diving deep into a classic American powerhouse, the 1970 Dodge Ram 2500. This truck isn't just a vehicle, it's a symbol of the rugged, no-nonsense spirit that defined the era. Let's take a full look at it from every angle, from the exterior details to what's happening under the hood, and finally talk about its value and what it's worth today. Starting with the left side, the first thing that stands out is the truck's strong, squared-off design. The body lines are bold and straightforward, with a commanding presence that speaks to its heavy-duty nature. The 1970 Ram 2500 sits high off the ground, especially with the lifted suspension setup many owners love to add. The lift gives it that aggressive stance that makes it look ready to take on any terrain, from muddy backroads to rough construction sites. The side mirrors are large and functional, built for towing and hauling, and the long bed design offers plenty of space for work gear or weekend toys. You'll also notice the chrome detailing along the body, something Dodge did right in that era, just the right amount of shine without going overboard. Moving to the right side, it's equally impressive, showing off the same muscular body lines and that tall, confident stance. The doors have a heavy, solid feel when you close them, a reminder of just how much steel went into these older trucks. The wheel arches are large enough to accommodate beefy off-road tires, and the truck's frame is visible just enough to give it that raw, mechanical look that modern trucks sometimes lack. The rear quarter panel flows smoothly into the tailgate, where the classic Dodge lettering sits proudly. It's a simple, honest design that's all about function over flash. Now stepping inside to check out the dashboard, the interior tells a story of pure simplicity. Unlike today's trucks filled with digital screens and touch controls, the 1970 Dodge Ram 2500 keeps it all mechanical and manual. The dash is a slab of metal with analog gauges that give you just what you need: speed, fuel, temperature, and oil pressure. The steering wheel is big, rugged, and feels great in your hands, offering that old-school connection between driver and machine. The gear shifter has a long throw, and you can almost feel every gear as it locks in place. The bench seat stretches across the cabin, offering space for 3 people and covered in durable vinyl that's built to last. There's no luxury here, but there's a sense of purpose and authenticity that modern interiors can't replicate. Now let's pop the hood and see what's powering this beast. Under the hood of the 1970 Dodge Ram 2500, you could find a few engine options, but the most popular and respected one was the 383 cubic inch V8. This engine was known for its durability and torque, delivering around 330 horsepower and enough grunt to pull heavy trailers or power through off-road challenges. Some models even came with the legendary 440 V8, which made this truck a serious performer for its time. The engine bay itself is spacious, with everything easy to access, a mechanic's dream compared to the cramped designs of modern vehicles. The carburetor, air cleaner, and valve covers all sit proudly on top, and when you fire it up, you're greeted with that deep, throaty rumble that only an old-school V8 can deliver. It's raw, it's loud, and it's pure American muscle in truck form. As for the driving experience, the lifted suspension gives you a commanding view of the road. The steering takes some muscle, but that's part of the charm. It reminds you that you're driving something substantial. The ride is firm but surprisingly smooth for a truck of this age, and when you press the throttle, the V8 responds instantly, pushing you forward. With that classic surge of power that never gets old. Now let's talk about price and value. Back in 1970, this truck was priced modestly, designed for farmers, builders, and workers who needed something tough and dependable. But today, things have changed. Depending on its condition, originality, and upgrades like lifts or engine swaps, a well-kept 1970 Dodge Ram 2500 can fetch anywhere from $15,000 for a project truck to over $40,000 for a restored showpiece. The market for vintage Dodge trucks has been rising as collectors and enthusiasts look for something unique from the muscle era that isn't just another car but a working piece of history. In the end, the 1970 Dodge Ram 2500 stands as a perfect mix of strength, simplicity, and style. It's a reminder of a time when trucks were built to last and designed to work hard. Whether you're into restoring classics, collecting vintage rides, or just appreciating the craftsmanship of old-school engineering, this truck has something for everyone. So that's our deep dive into this American legend, tough, timeless, and still turning heads more than 50 years later. Thanks for watching Car Vibes, and if you love classic machines like this one, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more rides that keep the vibes alive.